All right, guys, for this next drill, what we want to be able to do is measure an athlete's ability to change direction in the frontal plane. That means moving laterally. So this is extremely important for various athletes in various sports, especially basketball, football players. Depending on the position, we can see this if they're a lineman. There's other sports such as baseball, middle infielders. We want to see your ability to be able to change direction in that frontal plane. So the way that we're going to do this is going to be similar to that 5-10-5, but this is going to be a 2.5, 5, 2.5 yard drill. Okay, so you're going to take that same measurement within those 5-yard hash marks. You're going to split that 5 yards right down the midline, which is going to be 2.5. Very similar to what we did with the Pro Shuttle. Now what the athlete's going to do is they're going to set up exactly the same way that they did before, where they split that middle cone right down the midline of their body, and they're going to start laterally. We're going to get one to their right, one to their left. However, they're actually not turning and running when they perform this. They're going to stay in a lateral shuffle the entire time. The only difference is with this drill, they only have to get their foot to touch the line. They don't actually have to touch with their hand. So what Jordan's going to do, I'm going to give him a thumbs up. He's going to set. Once he goes, I'm going to start the clock. Walk through, go. He's going to get his foot to touch the line. He's going to go 2.5 yards. Now he's going to lateral shuffle, stay square all the way back to 5 yards, get the foot to touch the line. Then he's going to cross 2.5, and the timer stops when one body part crosses that line. You take an accurate measure of both your right and your left, and you go ahead and record that measurement down in seconds in your assessment. On to the next one.